Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 9th, 2026, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check out your financial advisor, please check out your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to this quarterly chart, resize, maximize, and what we see green. The Dow looked like it probably made all-time high again this week. It is looking very bullish at this time and look like it just wants to go higher. And be careful, be careful, be careful. And on this monthly chart, we can see that we are still above the 9-10 moving average. That's this line right here. So technically, that means we are in a bull market. We are already at an R1 level here on these quarterly pivots, and so we're at a point where it might get a little bit agitated, but most likely we will hit an R2 level and see what happens there. Will it make it to all the way to an R3 level? We'll have to kind of like wait and see. And those pivots may be a little bit close this month. Yeah, a little bit close, but about, yeah. So again, there is the possibility that we could get to an R3 level. And our R3 level is only $35 away, and also that definitely is possible. But we gotta wait and see what actually happens there. And let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there on this weekly chart. As we can see, yes. We did make all-time highs here this week, and so again, this market is hot. We're already at an R2 level on these monthly pivots, so that's this level right here. So again, that's why again, still don't get too excited about trying to short this market thinking it's so hot and that it's got to come down, and it can end up doing one of these things here again on you going sideways. And right now we did a base and we're rallying, and this is just the first week, so don't get too excited about trying to short this thing right away here. So be careful. Just follow your trading plans and your trading strategies and trade accordingly, and I'll just trade what you see at this what's happening at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and wrap this all up. On this daily chart, on this daily chart, you can see on these weekly pivots, these are weekly pivots, and we went to an R3 level. So that lets you know that this market was really pretty hot this week, and it got dipped back on Wednesday, and gave us a pretty nice pullback. And I was watching it yesterday. I was trading other things at the time. I don't trade the Dow, and I got to start looking at it because I can see that it makes pretty good moves some days and all. And I was watching it this day, and I didn't. This morning I was just kind of like in and out of my trade pretty much. The market was going pretty good on the Qs, getting too far off base. But again, the Qs, these pivots, as you can see how they play, we started out above pivot. Again, I look at us being above pivot for the week, and I expect us to go at least to an R1. And we went to an R3. So we started out at an 83, somewhere above 83, around 84, 85, and went all the way above 95, a $10 move on the Dow. That's a pretty big move on the Dow. That's got 1,000 points for the week, and on the big boy. That's what they'll be showing on TV. But on DIA, it's like 1/10 of everything else. But that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to share at this time. I hope everybody had a great week. Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week. This is Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.